I'm here at the famous rainbow slide in El Salvador. Look at this. We're at Café Albania. That's the little glass. That's the glass platform right there. We're gonna go out there. You gotta buy a ticket. So everything you want to do here, you gotta buy a ticket. Whatever you want to do, you gotta spend money. So you want to ride this slide, you want to take a picture, whatever you want to do, you gotta spend money here. Here's the famous slide right here, the rainbow slide. It's the famous rainbow slide. Look at that. That thing is long. Look at that. Oh my God. Would you ride a slide that long? This looks crazy. I'm here in Albania, in Apaneka. We're at the rainbow slide, the famous rainbow slide in my boy right here playing some good music. Playing that good music. Hey. Look at this view. Look at this view right here. This place is amazing, bro. This place is beautiful. They got like a little swing. Little swing, you can take pictures. Little swing, you can take pictures right here, look. Oh, this is where you ride the bicycle on the line. Oh, that's crazy. These are all the prices right here. This is the rainbow slide, is $10. And if you want to go on the mirror, it's like $3. That's the little mirror right there. But these are all the prices. Yeah, I'm going on the slide now. Look at the slide. Oh my God. Ay, Dios mío, come on. We're going on the slide right now. Let's get it. He's getting the slide ready. He's getting the slide ready. Put my water there. Look, look, look.
¿Cada cuánto vamos a ir? Espera, mi compañero, por favor.
Uh-huh.
Ya te digo.
Gracias. All right, I'm getting on the slide right now. Getting on the slide. Oh, gotta make sure my pockets are good. Let's go. We ready? All right, I gotta stay in the center. We ready, bro. Let's go. We in the slide. Babe, un momento for me. Go ahead. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hold this.
Yeah, and you pick up every time.
Yo, that's fire. Yo, that's fire, bro. That's fire, bro. Thank you, brother. That's fire. You gotta try that. Look at this view down here. They got another one here too. Look at this. Rainbow slide, baby. Rainbow slide. All right, we going one more time, baby. We going one more time. I'm gonna try to stay straight as possible.
Okay, get it up.
Like this. Woo! Oh, I'm a professional now at the famous slide, baby. Gracias, amigo. Muchas gracias.
¿Yo quieres una foto?
¿Ah?
Sentado ahí.
Foto.
Ajá, aquí te sientas y yo te tomo la foto.
Ah, okay.
Sí.
Muy bien.
Okay.
See? He gonna help me get a photo right here. Oh my God, look at this view. And this one's closed. It'd be even better if we could ride this one. It's about to rain. I might have to get out of here. This is crazy. The worst part is if you go down, you gotta climb the stairs all the way up. Listen, Ruta de Flores, I'm in the mirror of the sky in El Salvador right now. This view is unbelievable. Check this out.